Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup state EV registration proof with DMV forms in USA. Beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by gathering all necessary documents related to your vehicle registration. Visit your local Department of Motor Vehicles website. Locate the section dedicated to vehicle registration services. Identify the specific forms needed for your state's electric vehicle registration. Download or print these forms for your records. Ensure you have proof of identity, such as a driver's license or state ID. Check if you need additional documents, like a bill of sale or proof of residency. Fill out the forms accurately, ensuring all information is correct. Make copies of each document for your backup records. Consider using a scanner or mobile app to create digital copies. Save these digital copies in a safe location on your computer or cloud storage. Write down important dates, like registration renewal deadlines. Keep your original documents in a secure, easily accessible place. If required, submit your forms to the DMV either online or in person. After submission, obtain a confirmation receipt or reference number. Store this receipt with your backup documents. Regularly update your files whenever you obtain new registration or documentation. Review your backup system periodically to ensure everything is intact. Following these steps will help you secure your EV registration proof effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.